Hello everyone, I'm going to review this microwave that we got on Black Friday deal. This is the COMFEE microwave. Now, it has wonderful features. I'll let you know why this is like that. What I really liked about is that it doesn't splatter and it has the dinner plate button, which is wonderful for me. It also has a 30-second start button. These that are highlighted in gray are the 1 minute timers, just to let you know. Now, the lock button, LOC, stands for lock. It's because if you have smaller kids, you don't want them to reach over and open the door. So if I go like this, it does not open. So to unlock it, you need to press the door open button. Now that means that it's unlocked. Now you could open it. As you can tell, it's not very big, but it's useful and it's very convenient, and it fits in a small space. We don't have much counter space, as you can tell. I had to do an arrangement. It's very nice and small, really cute. I really enjoy it. This is only temporary until we fix our original one. Now, it does not have the clock because I didn't know how to do it, to tell you the truth. And I'm like, I really don't need it because I have my stove clock already. But anyways, this is the COMFEE microwave. Really.
So this is it right here. As you can see, it fits perfectly on top of the fridge. I have a really small flat, so I'm kind of a minimalist, so it's just like perfect for us. And the power is there. My kids use it all the time, and it's super easy. And I'm really glad it's clean. But yeah, no, we've been using it like crazy since we got it. We just got it a few days ago, and she's great. Like I said, she's super compact, and I really do highly recommend. I've been through a lot of microwaves, and this one just is perfect for us. So if you need a small one that acts powerful, this is my pick.
This is a great little microwave. I usually just do coffee or whatever, so I don't really use it that much. Maybe reheating some food. Even my cat likes it. Lots of options, easy to use, looks really cute, and it's small, fits great on my kitchen counter in my tiny home.
You actually have to unlock the door right here, press that button before you're allowed to open the door. It's not a big deal, it just takes a little getting used to, but overall, this has been a great purchase so far, and I definitely...
Está con luz aquí, pero no funciona. Yo no sé, lo he prendido, lo he apagado varias veces. Lo compré prácticamente a fines de marzo. Creo que son como 5 meses nada más que duró. No sé qué pasa. Está prendida adentro, pero no funciona. No sé qué hacer.